Everyone knows car camping is fun, but you have to sacrifice a little bit of your comfort. And that is how camping always works, right? Well, it doesn't have to be like that. There are some amazing car camping gadgets and accessories that can provide you the comfort of home outdoors. There are many in the market, but we will be showing you the ones we think are the best. So today, our video is on 45 amazing car camping gadgets and accessories. Let us get started. When you're out car camping, comfort and warmth are key. Whether you're sitting around the campfire or settling in for the night, a solid blanket can make all the difference. That's where the Rumple Puffy blanket comes in. It's not your average blanket. This thing is made from the same high-quality materials as sleeping bags and insulated jackets, which means it's designed to keep you warm without the bulk. The best part? It's lightweight and super packable, so it won't take up much space in your car or gear. Not only does it provide warmth, but it's also water repellent, making it ideal for unpredictable weather. Spilled some coffee or got it dirty on your trip? No problem, it's machine washable. The Rumple Puffy blanket also has this cool stitching that mimics natural flowing lines, adding a sleek, modern look to your camping setup. So whether you're curling up after a long hike or just enjoying the sunset, the Rumple Puffy blanket keeps you cozy and comfortable without the hassle of traditional bulky blankets. Car camping can be a game of space management, and one of the toughest challenges is turning the back seat into a comfortable sleeping area. That's where the backseat bivvy can help. This gadget bridges the gap between the front and rear folded seats, adding up to 18 inches of extra sleeping space. That extra room can make all the difference when you're trying to stretch out and get a good night's sleep. Also, the bivvy doesn't just give you more space. It also lets you store gear between the seats, which is super handy when you're packing for a trip. Moreover, it's compact enough to stash in your glove compartment when not in use, making it perfect for spontaneous road trips or last-minute camping adventures. Setup is quick and easy, even in less than ideal conditions. Just unfold it, place it in position, and you're ready to go. Add in your sleeping bag or mattress, and you've got a cozy, comfortable sleeping area right in your vehicle. Food is an important part of camping outdoors. Cooking in campsites and having a feast is one of the fondest memories of any camper. However, it can be quite tricky to cook in a campfire. For this reason, people nowadays carry camping stoves with them, and the Jetboil Stash is one of the top picks among campers. Jetboil Stash weighs just 7.1 ounces or 200 grams, which is the same weight as a pair of socks. It is a stove that is equipped with a titanium burner and falls under the fast boil category. For this reason, it can boil 2 cups of water in just 2.5 minutes. Jetboil Stash is perfect for any ready-to-eat camping meals and coffees. The stove also works with any utensils. It is easy to store and comes with folding arms. Furthermore, the compact storage system makes sure it does not rattle while inside the bag. Dying car batteries is a common occurrence, but while car camping, it can become a disaster. Being stranded with a dead car in the middle of nowhere can be quite scary. So, it is always recommended to keep a battery jump starter kit for emergencies. The Type S DL30 battery jump starter kit can be a great choice. It is not just a jump starter kit, it can act as a flashlight or power bank and has an emergency hazard light or SOS mode. It is quite capable as a jump starter kit too. It works for gas engines up to 6 liters and for diesel engines 3 liters. The kit has built-in LCD jump guides and displays step-by-step instructions. So, it can be operated by anyone. It also has spark-proof clams, polarity circuit protection, and IP64 water and dust resistance. All in all, the Type S DL30 battery jump starter is a smart and safe jump starter kit. Carrying around your favorite beverages while camping can be a hassle. In extreme conditions like climbing and hiking, normal flasks might break or spill the content, but not with GSI Boulder flasks. These flasks are solely designed for the extreme outdoors. The flasks are lightweight, shatter-resistant, and have a secure soft grip. The hinged cap makes sure you do not have to worry about misplacing or losing your flask cap. Boulder flasks also come with engraved graduations. For this reason, you can always measure your beverages. They come in 3 sizes, 6, 10, and 16 ounces. So, you can choose the right-sized flask according to your needs. The manufacturer, GSI Outdoors, gives a lifetime warranty for all its products. The Boulder flask is no different. If you've ever struggled with the hassles of regular rooftop tents and wasted precious camping time setting up or packing away, the Hitch Home is here to change that. We found this innovative solution eliminates those difficulties, allowing you to make the most of every second of your adventure. This detachable air tent attaches to the car hitch receiver and inflates in under 3 minutes. Just hook up the pump and let it do the work while you explore. This tent provides 22% more space than any average rooftop tent, offering a cozy, spacious retreat for up to 3 people. No more ladders, wind noise, or reduced fuel efficiency. Plus, you can still use your vehicle and sunroof. The built-in air mattress, supported by sturdy aluminum panels and adjustable legs, ensures a comfy night's sleep even on rugged terrain. Whether solo or with friends, Hitch Home's roomy interior makes every camping trip more enjoyable. Finally, an easy, convenient way to enhance outdoor adventures without the usual tent headaches. After a day of adventure and camping chores, nothing beats an outdoor movie with your fellow camping buddies. To get such a theatrical vibe, check out the Nebula by Anker 3. This projector delivers a giant 200-inch screen in 1080p resolution with 1000 ANSI lumens brightness, transforming your campsite into a cinematic experience. With built-in AI, it automatically adjusts the screen brightness, ensuring all get the best view every time from every corner. Running on Android TV 11.0, it provides access to 400,000 plus movies and shows including 7,000 plus apps. And with Chromecast and Google integration, setup is easy. Roam Power technology supports a 185 watt capacity, giving 5 hours of movie playtime and 15 hours of music. Built tough for the outdoors, it boasts IPX3 water resistance, drop and dust resistance, and even includes a camping light. The 40-watt speaker with Dolby Digital Plus delivers immersive audio. During summer camping trips, a sound sleep and a cool environment is more crucial than anything else. The Zero Breeze Mark 2 portable air conditioner helps keep the temperature cool in the tent, ensuring you rest comfortably and wake up refreshed. Weighing just 16.5 pounds, it's easy to carry and set up anywhere. With a powerful 2300 BTU capacity, it can drop the temperature by up to 30 degrees Fahrenheit in just 10 minutes. It runs on a 24-volt battery, giving you 3 to 5 hours of cooling on the go. When setting up camp in the wild outdoors, nothing compares to gathering around a fire with friends for delicious barbecue nights. The Igni Fire can makes it easy and safe to enjoy a campfire anywhere. Its durable, compact ammo can design with collapsible legs, and a removable lid ensures it fits anywhere and sets up quickly. The mesh sides enhance heat and flame visibility, while the 38,000 BTU output keeps the place warm. The fire can includes a 5-foot quick-release hose and adjustable regulator for easy setup. With propane fuel and 144 minutes of burn time, it's perfect for any outdoor car camping adventure, keeping the fire off the forest floor and providing a safe, cozy atmosphere. A very few campers had the luck of not suffering from mosquitoes when they roamed around the countryside and stayed at those places at night. But taking no risk, you can gear up for the next car camping with the FlexTail EvoRepel. This portable gadget combines double-sided heating technology with mosquito repellent, heating up to 329 degrees Fahrenheit in just 2 minutes. With 2 modes, it offers up to 14 hours of protection with a 10-foot range or 8 hours with a 30-foot range. The built-in lantern delivers 3,000 lumens with adjustable brightness and color temperatures, perfect for any setting. It doubles as an emergency charger, recharging in 2.5 hours and powering all devices up to 3 times. The EvoRepel's magnetic base, 270-degree rotating bracket, and IPX5 water resistance make it adaptable and durable. Whether you're camping or just enjoying the outdoors, this versatile gadget ensures comfort and safety. Keeping the campsite or car clean and organized is crucial but challenging. Yet this can be managed by the Kelty Trash Pack effortlessly for eco-conscious adventurers. This rugged, vehicle-mounted pack handles waste management and firewood hauling. Its semi-universal mounting system attaches to various vehicle types, with a durable 600D poly exterior and vinyl-coated interior to withstand sun, rain, and wind. Interior loops keep trash bags organized, and the foam-padded back protects the vehicle. Features include 6 coated steel hooks for secure mounting, a zippered front pocket for essentials, compression closure straps for compact storage, and a bottom drainage hole for easy cleaning. Fill it up, sort it out at home, hose it down, and tuck it away for the next adventure. Attaching the trash pack is easy. For a rear spare setup, relax the straps, position them around the tire, and tighten. For a van door, hang the pack using the top straps, connect the bottom hooks, and adjust the tension. Enjoy the adventure responsibly with the Kelty Trash Pack. After a long drive and adventure, nothing beats a refreshing shower on the campsite. For an enjoyable outdoor shower experience, the Clet Waterport shower is a versatile solution to stay clean on the go. This 3.8-gallon self-pressurized water tank mounts easily to vehicles, ensuring a refreshing rinse whether camping, surfing, or off-roading. With its built-in pump cap, adding pressure for a consistent water flow is simple, with no external pumps needed. The large quick-fill cap allows for rapid filling and accommodates ice for cool water. The high-pressure spray nozzle, with an 8-foot hose, offers up to 15 minutes of generous spray time. Versatile mounting options make it adaptable to various vehicle types. Compact yet powerful, the Waterport is well-fitted for rinsing off dirt and grime, keeping the vehicle interior clean and enhancing outdoor convenience. When it's a hot day at the campsite after a long drive, an iced coffee or cold drink is the only thing that can quench the thirst. To make it possible, here we got the FlexTail Evo Icer that ensures ice-cold drinks are always within reach. This portable ice maker, designed for outdoor enthusiasts, delivers rapid ice production, making 12 ice cubes in just 5 minutes with its Ice Burst X rapid refrigeration technique. Equipped with a powerful 200 watt-hour battery, it provides up to 3 hours of continuous use, producing over 400 ice cubes on a single charge. Weighing just 20 pounds or more than 9 kilograms and measuring 12 inches wide, this Icer is highly portable and fits seamlessly into any car's trunk. Multiple charging options, including Type-C and standard ports, offer versatile recharging at home or on the go. Its quiet operation at 50 decibels ensures no disturbance to outdoor activities. Made with durable, food-grade polycarbonate and using environmentally friendly R290 refrigerant, it's safe and reliable. User-friendly alerts for low water, overflowing ice tray, and low battery make maintenance effortless. Versatile ice-making modes, cup mode, quick mode, and eco mode, cater to different needs. When out in the wild, cooking should be the least of any car camper's worries. So, the Coleman propane camping stove is the solution to effortless outdoor cooking, even in the most challenging conditions. Its powerful 20,000 BTUs ensure that meals are prepared efficiently. With 2 independently adjustable burners, multiple dishes can be cooked at precise temperatures simultaneously. The wind block panels shield the burners from wind, maintaining steady performance, while the Perfect Flow pressure regulator keeps the heat consistent, regardless of the weather. This stove fits both a 12-inch and a 10-inch pan, providing a versatile cooking surface. With up to an hour of high flame on a single propane cylinder, it's both powerful and efficient. Weighing only 11.65 pounds or 5.2 kilograms, it's portable enough for any adventure. Experience the convenience and reliability of the Coleman Classic propane camping stove, an ideal camping companion. Nobody loves to sleep on a hard, uneven surface after a thrilling drive through the off-roads. So, there comes the FrontRunner rooftop tent to transform any vehicle into a cozy, convenient shelter. On arrival at any destination, have an instant bedroom ready in one smooth motion. This lightweight yet robust tent, weighing only 43 kilograms, ensures comfort and durability wherever the journey leads. The tent's body is crafted from water-repellent 260 grams or more than 9 ounces polycotton ripstop fabric, while the full coverage Rainfly made of waterproof 400D polyester Oxford fabric shields against the elements. Its aluminum frame and dense foam core base provide a sturdy, insulated foundation, ensuring a restful night on the high-density foam mattress. With a 2,000 millimeters or 6.5 feet water column rating, heavy-duty PVC-coated nylon cover, and skylight vent windows, this tent guarantees superior weather protection and ventilation. Adjustable side window panels offer privacy, while the universal mounting system, an optional quick-release tent. Mount kit enhance adaptability and ease of use. The FrontRunner rooftop tent is a combination of convenience, comfort, and durability, making it an ideal companion for any outdoor adventure. For a week-long car trip can be hard regarding keeping things organized. So there we got a reliable solution with quite ease by the DedicGo Hard Storage. Designed to withstand the toughest conditions, this storage box offers unparalleled protection for essential gear. The rugged aluminum sidewalls and high-impact polypropylene top and bottom ensure durability, while its IP65 rating guarantees waterproof and dustproof security. Its stackable design is perfect for maximizing space, whether in the back of a pickup or on a rooftop. Integrated handles make it a breeze to carry, and secure latches provide quick access. Tie-down points and lock holes add an extra layer of stability and security during transit. Part of the versatile DedicGo collection, it pairs seamlessly with other storage options for a customized setup. The DedicGo Hard Storage 50 liters isn't just about durability, it's about convenience and efficiency. This is a functional gear storage solution for any outdoor enthusiast, ensuring protection and organization wherever the journey leads.